Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Students, today we will study the topic of refractive index. As we know that speed of light is different for different mediums, and some medium causes light to bend more than the others when it passes through them. The extent to which a medium can bend the light is known as its refractive index, and in terms of speed of light we can define refractive index as the speed of light in vacuum to the speed of light in the medium. As you have studied that speed of light in vacuum is the fastest, so the formula of refractive index is the ratio of speed of light in vacuum to the speed of light in the medium. Leibniz Snell was a Dutch astronomer and mathematician. In 1621 he presented this law of refraction. Now we will study about the effects of refraction or the real and apparent depth. Sometimes the light gives us a misleading illusion or impression of the object or about the depth of the water in glass or water. For example, you have noticed that swimming pools look shallower than the actual depth. It is because of the refraction phenomena of the light. Similarly, light travels faster in air than in water because air is the rare medium while water is a denser medium. When this light passes from denser to rare medium, it bends away from the normal, and this refracted light enters our eye, the bottom of pool, and objects appear closer to us than really they are. So this difference between real and apparent depth of the water and position of object is due to the phenomena of the refraction of light. Here in figure 9.4 you can see that the actual depth is this one, while the object is placed here, but due to the refraction we will see the image here, and this is the apparent depth of the or misleading illusion due to the refraction of light.